so fake.
Don't let Fred hear you say that.
Whoa, can you read minds now? Is that a new superpower?
No, I just put 2 and 2 together.
I can read your mind.
Oh yeah? Okay, well what am I thinking right now?
That I can't read your mind?
Lucky guess.
You'll never know for sure.
It's all about confidence.
Name me one current wrestler.
I will call Fred.
You have to be at least 13 to enter.
Hey, but she's my assistant.
It's okay, I'll send over your older assistant.
What's a Skoboloff? Is it a type of snake or like a deli meat?
Skoboloff is a color, more on the earthy dark shade of cyan.
That's just teal.
You clearly don't work in design. My day's pretty packed, too.
Tchotchke Joe, zone of tchotchkes, tchotchkes. Are you eating in my sock?
No. Personal taste aside, the mask is badly designed.
I have not seen anyone like that!
That ray must be able to shrink things and put them in bottles.
This town, man.
No, I had no idea.
Oh, she can't hear us. Teeny weeny phone means teeny weeny signal.
Please stop saying teeny weeny.
We've got to get her attention somehow.
Or go down with Davy Jones. I think we'll break for lunch. All right, let's not get dramatic. What did I just say? Or we accept our fate and start new lives as a barbershop quartet on this riverboat. What do we think? Going once? Going twice?
There's only 3 of us?
Okay, let's just make the stupid hurricane.
Yeah, can we start after lunch?
Hey, I got some walnuts.
You got those out of the trash.
Brilliant deduction, Sherlock. Can you hand me the remote?
It's like 1 inch from you.
Not worth the effort.
You know, we haven't fought anyone for a couple of weeks.
And what is your point?
Maybe we should try to stay in shape, you know, in case another villain comes to town.
I don't have the energy to say no.
499, 500. Now it's credence on your back.
I think that's an armoire, but okay.
I want to see you sweat, mister.
Hamsters don't sweat. We slow our metabolism to compensate for an increase in body temperature.
Then I want to see you slow your metabolism. Are you slowing your metabolism? Because I don't see it.
Well, it's happening on a cellular level, so...
No excuses.
I can barely move. I can't lift my arms above my head.
You can never lift your arms above your head. They're too short.
Sick burn.
I can barely fly. Can you?
I can fly, but only at the speed of wind.
That's just floating.
Potato, potato.
Maybe Kevin can help. Come on.
Let's just wait for the wind to push us. Ow. 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 Ow.
Ow.
It hurts to fly. That's not working.
That'll teach ya.
Can we lie down now?
Excuse me, I'm trying to take my revenge on this corporation.
Hamster, let's go.
Do we have to?
Come on, dig deep.
Wrong way.
We're going the wrong way.
But okay.
Milkshake mine.
Rack 'em up, mop boy.
Mop boy?
Cause I'm gonna mop the floor with you. Your turn, mop boy.
1 ball, side pocket.
Are you trying to hustle me?
Well, I did go to pool camp 2 summers in a row. It's all about the angles, baby.
Oh, it's on. The ball moved. My turn.
Hey, I didn't touch it. And that's why the 2 best hustlers are gonna be playing on the largest table.
Where are we gonna get a giant ball? It's not billiard regulations, but should do the trick.
I just don't get gardening.
I wish this show had sound.
We can always add our own. I'm an adult. I like dirt.
I'm a goose. I want your dirt.
Ay, caramba, leave the dirt alone.
Dirt is free, woman. Free! The dirt is mine. The dirt is mine.
Hey, what's up, Fred? I'm in the middle of something. That's what I'm talking about!
Thanks. It's much heavier than I thought. Ah, that explains it.
Hey, Hamster, have a nice trap!
Adding insult to injury, there's not even any cheese.
Wait, why are you all staring at me? Do I have something on my face?
Actually, you don't have a face.
Or a body.
What? Kevin, I can't see myself. What's going on?
So, yeah, I've never made small talk with a domesticated rodent before.
Why start now?
Where's this music coming from?
My detective playlist. It sets the mood. All right, the jig is up. We're private eyes from the big city.
You're detectives?
Don't give us any lip, see? Or you'll end up wearing a pair of lead galoshes. And it'll be hard to walk because it'll be, you know, heavy.
What? I'm having a hard time following along.
There are no coincidences.
A little warning next time, Hamster!
Trapped. Like an invisible helicopter mom in a rat costume. I don't know whether to be flattered or disturbed.
You could have told me yourself about who you guys are.
I don't like being in the middle.
Please tell Gretel that I am unpacking my feelings right now.
Bailey says she's unpacking.
I heard.
Could you please tell Gretel that I have unpacked my feelings, but now I need to put them away again?
Bailey said
Feelings are not clothes.
Gretel said...
Just tell her mine are.
She said to tell
I
you...
heard her.
We're cool, right?
Yeah, we're good.
Did you find her?
Yes, shh, don't say anything.
No more middleman.
Using your powers for frivolous stuff or just to show off is dangerous.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I present Colonel Buzzkill.
Lieutenant Downer.
Brigadier Boring!
Stop insulting me with military ranks. I refuse to name a pond.
Sergeant Stick in the Mud.
Stop it.
Parking spaces never come to those who whine.
Nice. Any other pearls of wisdom?
Never eat gas station sushi.
Yeah, but what if you're just...
Never.
This is insane!
You could try whining more. Maybe that would help.
I feel like I'll be in this car for all of eternity in some form of parking space time loop, circling and circling.
There's a spot.
Wait! What? It's mine! It's all mine!
Don't worry. I know a guy.
It's the giant sea otter from earlier in the season.
What season?
You know, summer. The season we're in.
It's dinner time! Guess we should find the bus stop.
Maybe a short flight to the impound lot is a good use of our powers. What do you think, Kevin?
Oh, it's gas station sushi. You should really work on your separation anxiety. When the family's away, the hamster will sashay.
We gotta fix that faucet.
You've got the drip, 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 drip.
We gotta fix that faucet.
You've got the drip, 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 drip.
Call the plumber.
He's a professional.
We gotta call the plumber. Call the plumber.
He's a professional.
We gotta call the plumber.
Hey, are you Mr. Hamster?
That's me, a person.
Sir, please don't take this the wrong way, but you seem awfully made of cleaning products.
Industrial accident.
Oh, that's hardcore. Thanks for the tip.
Steady. Steady. Wait, something's wrong. Oh, I forgot to close the door. That was close. I hate eating pizza when there's a draft. Ugh, they always singe the crust. Oh, Churro! I got some pizza bones just for you. It's so quiet, and there's an absence of dumb energy in the house. Oh no! Churro!
Hamster?
We got a code homeward bound. Code homeward bound.
The Secretary of the Interior's been taken?
No! The code sheet was updated. I lost the dog.
What happened?
A pizza was ordered. Mistakes were made. It was nobody's fault. Can you help me or not?
Lucky for you, Uncle Dave put a tracking collar on Churro. According to the online dog tracker, he's on Front Street downtown.
Copy that. Thanks. And by the way, Fred, don't tell anyone about
Already
this.
forgotten, already hanging up.
It doesn't have to be that hard.
Fred, where's Churro now? He's at the ducks? I mean the decks. The docks. I hurt my phone. I hate my phone. Gotcha. Oh, he's so slippery. Is that the bark? The pork? The park. Wait, I'm doing this all wrong. He's a dumb dog. I just need to outsmart him. Hello, Churro. I bet you're pretty hungry from all that running around. But what's this? That's it. A little more. No! Pardon me, excuse me. Ew, raisins and potato salad. Ooh, sorry about the mess. Is this one of those situations where a simple apology will do? Let me get my checkbook. I lost him, Fred, and now we can't track him.
So you're just gonna give up?
Please, no. I'm sure I could start a new life somewhere. Leave all this behind, move to New Orleans, join a barbershop quartet, run ghost tours on the side. Not for the money, of course, but just to escape the ghosts of my own past.
Stop. You just need to think like Churro.
Okay. Well, that accomplished nothing.
No, we need to figure out what Churro wants more than anything.
I got it!
You're welcome, by the way, ungrateful rodent.
Gotcha.
Did anybody hear that?
Come on, time to go home. All right, buddy. I love them too. What do you say we crash their photo?
Or teeny tiny fairies that look cute but are kind of jerks.
Jerk fairies.
Or whatever that is. Look.
She didn't really get away. I mean, technically she did, but we were close, and plus I was super tired and the sun was in my eyes and I didn't have the right kind of shoes.
And I'd just eaten that big burrito.
I bet you Hamster and I could catch her this time. You haven't eaten a burrito today, have you?
I have not.
It's a Haste Miss Stanship twofer.
That's not a thing.
Last time was a fluke.
Tell her about the burrito.
I was getting to that.
Yoink.
Oh, now it's personal.
We'll show her who's faster. Let's go.
Could I get a drink of your water?
Sure.
Much obliged.
I don't get it. We should totally be able to catch her.
I might need a minute.
She was too fast. We were staring at the back of her hasty delivery jacket the whole time.
To be fair, the jacket is quite fetching.
We only had to be fast enough up here.
Brain speed.
I am so confused. What is happening?
You're going to jail, and Daddy's getting himself a big burrito.
Sort of looks like it could be an owl, or maybe a map of Dayton, Ohio.
Ooh, guy in a tree. I like this game.
Monkey on a unicycle. Is there any villains with the initials BSC?
Well, there's Big Scary Cyborg, but Hamster punched him into the sun last week.
He had it coming.
This looks like the work of mischievous teens.
That's not bad.
He keeps almost getting paint on us. It's very annoying.
We haven't exactly figured out how to clean these, you know? I mean, they don't really exist unless they're on our bodies.
Don't take this the wrong way, but you look like something the dog changed his mind about eating.
Well, no offense, but your hair looks like a kid who drives a minivan and can't get a date.
I think we do need professional help.
Therapy?
Haircuts.
Yeah, not so keen on this anymore. French decor makes me squeamish.
Shh, dog, some dog.
Welcome to my salon, where we pamper people on their part.
Mustache! Step away from the girls.
Hamster!
Kevin! Crank it up past the red line! Could somebody please get me a tiny barrel?
Way ahead of you.
Do you want me to get you something?
Wow, not so deeply flawed and totally subjective now, huh?
Why?
Let me give you a hand.
Ow.
Clock freak punch! Next time, Pete, I hope you deal with your bizarre digital clock issues in a healthier way.
Like complaining into the void of the internet like a normal person.
It's Kevin. I have an idea.
I thought you were gonna say, let's just cut the line because we're superheroes. But yeah, crawling through vents is fun too.
This place is awesome.
Oh, brother.
Totally my fault. I asked.
I see you found the source of my coolness. Ice.
Ice?
No, not ice. Ice.
Are we missing something?
Ugh, my secret recipe contains ice. A special mineral compound I excavated myself.
Remember, Hamster, whatever you do, don't get hit!
I know!
Hamster, no!
It's quite refreshing, really. Ugh, what smells like wet hamster? Oh, me. This town, man.
Hamster, pretend to be a protractor.
Oh, finally, someone asks. So, how do we find this leprechaun? Sorry, I haven't really been listening.
No one just finds La Sombrerona.
Okay, no heat vision in the House of Mirrors.
Good safety tip.
La Sombrerona.
I can't even calculate how many years of bad luck that is.
Life is no meaning.
My soul hurts.
Sad.
What are you staring at?
You suck happiness out of people. Hilarious.
I'll show you hilarious. Okay, I'm going to start my reign of misery over there with the happier people.
And so sad.
Me too. I'm going to eat my feelings. I'll have the deep fried cabbage. Extra cheese.
Can't you think of something?
Well, she wants to make everyone sad because she never got to have any fun.
That is so sad.
It is.
So sad.
We could probably solve all of this if we just showed La Sombrerona a good time.
But who's gonna make her have fun?
Yeah, no offense, but we're out of commission, and you two aren't exactly the life of the party.
Oh yeah, at your Uncle Ernesto's wedding, they said I threw the best hora loca they had ever seen.
It's time to take the sombrero out of the sombrerona.
So she'll just be nah?
Exactly.
You've made me look ridiculous!
Yeah, because those 5 hats were totally fire. The sombrerona, you have the right to stop being such a buzzkill.
Oh my goodness, this is the Night Marionette staff.
We can't get rid of that.
Oh, and this is the mind control whistle.
We have to keep that.
Kevin, you're not helping.
Well, I know we've all had to make hard decisions, but...
Wait a second. What is the Spice Master's deadly salt shaker doing in the discard pile? I distinctly remember asking for that.
Come on, Hamster, where are you gonna keep that?
Oh, you mean because I'm a hamster?
I didn't say that.
You implied it. I could see it in your eyes.
It's bigger than your cage, dude!
Give that
Let go of it!
You let go of it. You're gonna break it. Why can't I have nice stuff?
Hamster, what's the rule?
No using heat vision against family, especially Kevin, because he has no powers with which to defend himself.
These gadgets are tearing us apart. What are we gonna do?
Behold, villain gadgets under glass.
Ooh.
Hamster, museum, go!
Wow. No, please. Okay.
Thanks for the assist, Hamster.
No problem. Now that that's done, gift shop?
Hamster!
Oi, me shepherd's paws, no shepherds in it! Sorry, got lost in the gift shop. Time to break some bones.
We've thrown everything at these bone bags, but they keep on coming.
Well, at least my mug is safe. And they broke my mug. I am disappointed.
Okay, here's the magnet, but the battery is just for display. It's made of cardboard.
Don't worry.
That was fast.
I know a guy.
How does my battery go missing in the middle of the freeway? That ottoman has had it out for me for years. What's it doing in the hall?
I moved it there to mess with him.
A robbery is happening at the Museum of Insect-Themed Jewelry.
This town's culture budget, man. Kevin, I've come to finish the job.
Hamster, I know it's you!
Whatever. I have crimes to solve anyway.
The thief's trapped inside.
We're on it.
Is the gift shop still open? You know, if there's time.
The only thing missing is this spider brooch.
And no sign of the perp.
Don't you think this painting seems out of place in an insect-themed jewelry exhibit?
Art is subjective.
Ew, gross. I hate spiders.
Yeah, I'm not so keen on them myself. Anyone else feeling freaked out?
Me?
You guys have superpowers. Why are you afraid?
Shoot!
Are you saying shoot like darn it?
Something tells me we're not in the museum anymore.
Hey, it's the old arcade under the mall. Do your eyes work as one giant set or 3 different pairs?
A bit of both. Let me explain.
Oh, thank goodness. I had so many questions.
We got it. Right, Hamster?
Uh-huh, yeah, sure. Let me just trade these 800 tickets for a troll doll real quick.
You guys didn't forget that I was here, did you? Guys? I totally forgot.
Oops, sorry, my bad.
Don't you want to see the end of the show?
I've seen this. The snakes win.
Hey, no spoilers!
Look at us, sitting here with our cell phones and cheese curls. We should all be like Arthur, fighting snakes with just a spatula and an egg.
Please, you wouldn't last a second without your phone. What up, girl? No way, that's fire. Send me pics. Wrong number.
I say we have a contest. Whoever could go the longest with electronics wins.
Oh, you're on. This should be quick.
Count me in.
All right, phones in the basket. No electricity starting now.
Wait, can we start again after I look at those pics? I've been meditating on the cosmos for 3 hours. I think I've almost reached enlightenment. Huh. Not what I expected.
Why is it so dark in here?
Mom, we were about to solve cold fusion.
And that's how I wound up sharing a cab with the premier of Saskatchewan.
So is that like a governor?
Yes and no. You see...
Wait, do you guys smell what I'm smelling?
It wasn't me. Go over this way.
Maple syrup.
I am not tasting some gooey substance on the ground.
Ugh, humans. It is maple syrup.
The only thing that this proves is that this town is very wasteful with its maple syrup.
Hamster, come on! I never thought an endless stream of delicious, fast-flying waffles would wear me out.
Yeah, why can't all our fights be this scrumptious?
Yeah, well, that's because... Wait, you really like my waffles?
Are you kidding me? They're incredible.
Exquisite.
Pillowy, soft even.
You must miss your diner.
Like a rat misses sewage.
Interesting comparison.
Speaking of which, do you kids know the capital of Estonia?
Give me another waffle and I'll tell you.
This town has been cashing in on your notoriety for years. It's time for you to get a piece of the pie.
Get it, girl.
Yeah? You guys really think I can get it?
The Great Pillow War began 4 years ago. It started as a simple disagreement over the TV remote, but has devolved into an all-out feathery fracas. And to the victor go the spoils. Absolute control of the remote for 1 month, and bragging rights in perpetuity. Or until, you know, the next Pillow War.
Hamster, we're under attack. Go to Jack's Sack Shack and bring back the biggest sack.
The Jack Sack Shack by the racetrack?
That exact shack.
Let me backtrack. You need a big whack sack from Jack Sack Shack to launch a counterattack and get some payback?
Yes.
Well, I was just playing blackjack, but I got your back. Wait, 5 jacks? This deck is stacked!
So you were playing blackjack with Zach from the cul-de-sac? When did he get back from the Adirondack?
A couple weeks ago.
Oh, I'm gonna get you!
As feathers fall like snow, a new era of peace begins. Not due to the pillow punches or flanking maneuvers, but the loving words of a brother and sister. Oh, and also they made a really, really big mess. I mean, there were feathers everywhere. And I mean everywhere.
What the heck is...
Hey!
Really, Kev? I was dominating.
No electronics allowed.
Hate it already.
We get it, Ernest. There's an old man and a C. You'll get that joke in high school!
Oh, we get it. It's just not funny.
Are you a boss girl Gretel or a hypebeast hamster? Take this quiz to find out.
I don't know about hypebeast, but I'm pretty sure I'm the hamster.
Oh, here we are saving the city from a killer dung beetle by tangling it in a kite. That was clever of us.
That was Kevin's idea, actually.
Oh, yeah, maybe I'll leave that part out of the report.
Here's one about that time we defeated that giant mutant burrito with a truckload of hot sauce.
Ooh, I remember that. We are so smart.
Actually, that was Kevin's idea, too. Your idea was just to eat it.
That's not good.
Rooftop.
Check out young Uncle Dave. Dear Math, grow up and solve your own problems.
Yeesh. Doing dad jokes at 18. Tragic.
To Dave, never change, bro. Sincerely, Jugglin' Jack.
Wait a second. Is there a plan besides running away?
Yes! Whoa! I have a plan. One side! But I'm sure it's part of his plan to take over the world.
Are those cocktail weenies?
I feel like I was hit by a train.
I feel like I was dragged 14 miles through a cactus patch and then thrown into a wood chipper.
Is that a yes or no?
Don't force me to turn my head and glare at you with contempt.
Oh, this is exhausting. I feel like I just rolled down a mountain of jagged rocks into a pool of chopped jalapenos.
Well, I feel like I drank 10 pounds of warm, clumpy milk, then got sucked into a black hole the size of a poppy seed.
Well, I feel like my brains were scooped out and put into a blender with some hot sauce and chili peppers and fed to an overweight bullfrog with digestive issues, who then climbed back into my head with my brains in its stomach.
You don't know what that feels like.
Well, you don't know what the poppy seed thing feels like.
Half an inch more. Push!
Not only did you take down the evil geneticist, but you did it alone. Wasn't that dangerous and risky?
Yeah.
Do you really think Chad could be an old man?
Fred's smart. She might be on something. Plus, it wouldn't be the weirdest thing that's happened in our town.
He's got a point. I mean, I am a talking hamster. Fred, go do your speech. We got this.
And I've got this. Smoke bomb.
And Hamster, why are you at Fred's house?
She has good snacks.
Yeah, I do. Hey, what's an 8-letter word meaning slow to act?
Dilatory.
This fell off a flake during the battle. It contains the DNA of a croissant, a human, a beanie, and a skateboard.
So the flake is literally made of flakes.
Exactly. Be prepared to do some waiting.
Looks like I picked a good time to take up knitting.
We've been waiting all day for the flake and I could have been practicing.
Time management is indeed challenging.
No, I'm just such a flake.
Here, wear this. It's getting cold.
Nah, it's okay.
Wear it!
Oh, dope.
Here's your pastry, sir.
With a big helping of comeuppance.
Wait. How'd you know I'd be here?
We're gonna need a 25-gallon bucket. To go.
Aw, man, this is gonna make it really hard to perform surgery.
Pretty. Well, what's so funny?
Hironi, I love you like baloney. Woo!
First of all, terrible rhyme.
This is surprisingly riveting.
A little more to the left.
Almost got it. Crazy supervillains, a giant overgrown lemon.
Plus, that evil talking fungus. Man, that guy would not shut up.
Enjoy your giant useless key.
I knew we should have just flown here. If I could just say a few words. The dictionary defines hero
And
as...
now, Neo and the Nepo Babies.
Kevin, where are you?
You know, I'd have to say that the creepy doll factory is in my top 5 least favorite factories.
It was a 5-step plan.
And here we go.
What's happening?
Powers draining. Losing verbosity. Soon won't be able to squeak. Squeak.
Please. Just say a word, Hamster. Anything. Now Hamster is just a regular hamster who can't talk. He can only express himself by trying to eat my hair.
Oh, man.
You may think you beat me, but I have one more thing up my sleeve.
And it's certainly not elbows.
Hamster, you can talk again.
Squeak. Just kidding.
Guys, we did it! Bye!
Man, this is really not your day, Kevin.